The second command that we need to know in GitHub CLI is git config. To choose the editor, for example, to merge or to resolve a conflict, we need an editor. So let's check the attribute or the list of parameters or the list of choice permitted with GitHub CLI config. So GitHub config -help. We have two subcommand. The first subcommand is get and the second is set. So we can get or set some parameters. For example, we have just 3 parameters we can get or set. So the first parameter is the git protocol, the second is the editor, and the third and the last parameter is prompt. So go here and GitHub config get editor, and as you can see I have Vim as my first editor. So to config that, we just go here and GitHub config set editor Visual Studio Code or code. Go back here and check, and as you can see now our editor is Visual Studio Code and not Vim. So let's go back and set it as Vim. And the second is our git protocol. So to get git protocol, just go here, config, and get git protocol. And our git protocol is HTTPS. You can also set GitHub protocol as SSH. To set it, just go here, GitHub config set and git protocol SSH. Set it and go back here and check again, and as you can see our GitHub config set the git protocol to SSH. Go back here and let's make as HTTPS, and the latest variable is prompt. So just go here and get prompt, and prompt is enabled. To set it disabled, just we can use GitHub CLI config set prompt and disable it. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next lecture.